Okay, the quick way to find a leak on your intake system on the E46 BMW 330i. I will take the camera and I will hand it over to my son. Alec. Hello. You just take off your airbox. You get the vaping guys. And there you can see a leak at the back there. There's no easier way than that. Cool, thanks guys.